where'd the lighter go, bro?
You got the number roll, Johnny?
Oh
yeah, I got the number.
You trusted him with your lighter?
Fuck it, go ahead.
Hey, where's your dude?
It's clip. Watch this lighter
Hey,
do clip.
who's talking Converse in a minute? Nobody?
Hey, you getting with all them fucking pictures on that shit?
I ain't seen the website in a minute, dude.
I saw that motherfucker going up to 9,000.
Yeah, I heard we hit 9G's hit. 9,000 hits.
Let me hit that motherfucker.
One more hit.
No, we're all.
Hold on, I'll get that motherfucker. Hold on. Hello?
Hey, what up? It's Nate at the studio.
Hey, it's Nate at the studio. Chill out, hold on. What's up, man? What's going on? What you doing, man?
I got that weed beat cool, man. I got that loop for 420. Is that cool?
Hold up. Hey, he's got the True Love looped at 420. What's up with that?
I don't think that's long enough.
What? Hey,
I don't think it's long enough.
it probably ain't gonna be long enough, dude.
Hey, tell them when we get
Well,
done.
it's definitely got me.
What's up? How long you need that?
Hold up.
Hey, let me hit that.
It's
Man,
gonna be-
Deuce is on the phone. Let me hit
All
that.
right, look, we're gonna spark this joint right here, and when we get done smoking this, stop looping.
Cool.
Shit, we already sparked it.
All right.
All right, peace.